What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we're going to be talking about the future of cryptocurrency, the main hype right now. You guys thought it was Dogecoin. Guys, Dogecoin is old news. Let's talk about this new crypto called SAFEMOON. I mean, I'm sure you've heard of it. Everybody's talking about it. And guess what? It's very cheap, but guess what? It's very, very hard to get, which is obviously good. And we're going to talk about it because there is so much money here. I mean, there is really so much money here. People don't even realize. So let's talk about it because this thing will make millionaires, like a lot of millionaires. So let's go. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I just want to say a couple things. First, make sure you guys join Vice Capital Trading Discord. It is absolutely free. All you have to do is click the link in the description and you have access to many tools to help you trade and make you guys some money. Also, if you guys want free stocks that are worth up to $1,850, all you have to do is deposit $100 using the link in the description on Webull and you will get 2 free stocks. As well, if you like Robinhood more, sign up on Robinhood with my link. You also get 3 free stocks, guys. All this is free. All you have to do is click the links in the descriptions, all made to make you guys money. Check it out. Alright, guys, and as always, make sure to quickly leave a like and subscribe to the channel because I post some great stocks / finance / money related videos, so you don't want to miss them. I turned British there for like 0.5 seconds, but anyways, let's get on with this video. So yes, we're talking about SAFEMOON. This is I mean, it says right there, safely to the moon, because that's where the final destination is the moon. So SAFEMOON is kind of a cryptocurrency, but before we talk about it, why not let this perfect website explain what I'm about to say. So what is SAFEMOON? Technically, it's not a cryptocurrency in the same way that Bitcoin is. Rather, it serves a decentralized finance DeFi token. DeFi tokens aim to replicate financial processes without the need of a third-party intermediary such as bank, instead of choosing to rely on the computer processes such as smart contracts. SAFEMOON specifically says that it's aiming to resolve issues that afflict other cryptos in the market, namely token price volatility and a tendency of traders to sell assets quickly and not hold on to them for the long term. That's all good, right? But the main thing that the main good news in this article, and I mean pretty much in any article, I guess, is it says it right here. And if you already have SAFEMOON, if you already went through the Declaration of Independence writing process, you gotta fill out 100 things, you gotta go through the dark web, you gotta do all this stuff just to be able to buy SAFEMOON. If you went through all of that, guess what? You're gonna thank yourself, because SAFEMOON is also aiming to list on more crypto exchanges such as Coinbase Global Inc. It's on the Nasdaq as coin, to increase its accessibility to investors. Now this is very good news, because let's say you have SAFEMOON and you went through this insane process, difficult process to buy it, and it's at 0.0000000, and as soon as it goes on Coinbase and everybody can buy it normally like a normal human being, it's gonna just shoot up. And the people who already had it for a long time are gonna be filthy rich. I mean, they're gonna be Jeff Bezos type rich. So yeah, this is obviously the best thing to come out of SAFEMOON right here. Is its ability, and it's in a position where obviously it's already so popular that it could go into other exchanges and be purchased easier, which is very good. But yeah, guys, we are here to find out one thing, and that is, what is a simple, just very simple $100 gonna get you, right? So let's say we're gonna go to the chart, and let's say before anyone found out, before the peak, we're gonna do some mathematical equations here around this area. So down here, we're pretty much gonna see how much money we would have been able to make on $100 and how much we're gonna be able to make when it reaches 1 cent. Just 1 cent, that's it. So let's take this price right here, let's write it down. I'm going to write it down on my handy dandy notebook. So that is a lot of zeros. So we have 0.000.
A few moments later.
So we have 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, that's 6 zeros, and then 6, 6, 7. So 0.0000000666757. So let's say we got at that entry point, right? So now I'm going to go into the calculator and do some quick mathematics and see how many shares we would be able to have for just $100 at 0.00000666757. All right, so with some quick mathematics, we're able to find out for 0.000666757 times 150 million shares, that would mean $100. And we have $100 now. Just simple $100, we can get 150 million shares, right? which is a lot of shares. Imagine having 150 million shares of some other company. I mean, that's just ridiculous. But now all we have to do is quickly look at where it's at now, or the peak of this stock, right? Oh, actually, we don't have to open it. We already have a tab open. And it peaked at 0.000089534. So now if we go in the calculator and we type that, so 0.00 with 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 89534, 2 fours, it would be worth $1,343. So $1,343 minus $100, we would have a total net worth or profit of $1,200. Stop calling me, please. I don't know who you are. $1,200 on a $100 investment since pretty much April 15th. So in a week and a little bit. Now, if you really want to get crazy, let's say in one day far from now it reaches 1 cent times 150 million shares, you have $1.5 million on a $100 investment. I mean, what the... I mean, can anything else really give that insane returns? I mean, can Dogecoin give that many returns? I don't think so, right? Dogecoin is very good, but guess what? It's not that good. It's not SAFEMOON good. And the good thing about this is its hardness. You have to go through so much to be able to buy this coin, and that is, to me, that is probably the best thing and the luckiest thing. If anybody has this, hold on to it, because as soon as this thing hits, if it does ever hit Coinbase and all this Binance, all these other exchanges where people can normally buy it with just one button, they don't have to transfer a bunch of different crypto funds, it's all this mess. Once that happens, I mean, this thing's gonna fly, and it could hit 1 cent. Probably not, but even if it doesn't hit 1 cent, just that Coinbase announcement will shoot it up, and anybody who was around right here will just profit big. And that's just on a $100 investment. Imagine if you put like 1K or 10K. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I mean, if you really want to do, if I really want to do the quick math, 1.5 billion shares at $1,000, and then you times it by what we did earlier, which was, where is it? Now, if we just add one extra zero to that, I mean, we got $13,430 off a $1,000 investment. So that is $12,430 off a $1,000 investment. So you have $12,400 profit off just $1,000. Now, $10,000 is more, $100,000 is more, but again, it's riskier to put a lot of capital in just a SAFEMOON, which is like realistically didn't exist a couple months back. So yeah, $100 will get you $1,200 so far. I mean, right now it's going to go back to testing this this high right here. There's pretty much a resistance right there. Bounced off again, and then tried to go back, and then it just wasn't strong enough. Now it's coming back down. But yeah, I mean, this is ridiculous. With $100, you could have been well off, and you're still well off, because with $100 I put in here, I'm not taking it out for a while until I see some good profits. And that's just $100. So yeah, guys, you think about it right now. Would you rather buy Dogecoin, or would you rather buy SAFEMOON? Which is the true better investment? Dogecoin is losing its hype. I mean, it peaked almost 50 cents. I mean, I think you should have taken your profits there. It's 421 already. The hype day is over. But yeah, just my opinion. I think you guys should buy SAFEMOON, because this thing is not even begun to grow yet. It's like a little tree. It's a huge sequoia tree, and it's just a little seed right now. That is where the stock is at now. So if you got in, congratulations. You just struck a gold mine. Like, you are deep into the gold mine. You're like a diamond in a gold mine. Think about that. Something like that. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully you guys get in SAFEMOON. It's very hard to do. Maybe I'll post a tutorial, but I can't even get in. So if I do get in myself and I find a method, I will let you guys know, and I will make a video on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the descriptions to make yourself some money, free money. All you have to do is click the first 3 links. Each of those make you guys money, so check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.